Tomoa whamarot peke kau peke mai whai koto mi muna ka mai te so re rege tu mai no whakiria wharoto lai I don't know how to speak English properly. I'll try my best. My name is Tali. Half of this year I came to join your guys' church. Why? Maybe some of you know me by Tali the Great. What is my life around is my kids. When me and my wife moved into Manabed, 17 of Martinev, stayed in the complex. I'm here today because the truck and the alcohol affect my life. There was a story I've been through in my life. I never let anyone know but myself. Me and my wife, we owned it for 7 years. We lost our friend for it. And I just want to say a blessing out to one of my best friends. His name is Otuhouma and his wife. They took their life because what the truck threw them. And they left their 4 kids behind. I think 2 years ago, you guys know a story that happened in Papakoi and Bukikoi. My best friend killed his wife and then he hanged himself. 10 years was alive and they took him to the hospital and then he died. When I look at it, I can't hit blood. But I remember every time we were around, they would always say, "Docs, just leave your kids with your parents." And that's what I did. I leave my kids with my parents. Me and my wife, we went and stayed with them. And all we did, we would stay at the sleep house and smoking, talking about everything, drinking. And what I see at night time, only the kids like around 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, the kids will stay awake hungry. But they don't know what my kids been through. They were hungry. I didn't know when I made it today. I was thinking the same thing to you. I always been taking my life. When me and my wife, when all the money finished, we came back home. We went back home to my mom, my dad, because no one will want us. That's the reason why my dad never carried on go back in PR5, because of me. I never forgot with my wife. So many people, that's why we moved from church to church, because of me. A lot of people ask me what we do in life, what I do. But the thing about me, I never steal from home. But the love that my dad gave me, it was different. So different. So every payday, me and my wife will go. Leave my kids hungry. We're going to buy a McDonald's, make them like happy. That was the top of it for staying hungry. The reason why I don't go back there is because there's nothing good there. I want to talk about what Jesus was doing me today. What he done for us. And I put myself to God. I accept Jesus Christ in my life. And I want you guys, whoever want to listen to me, maybe to remember why your parents got for forfeit out the town for the home matua. I'm away from love. I wish I can go back in time to fix everything. I can't. All I'm doing now, so I introduced one of the kids in the complex. His name is Cody. Joy, come here. Come on. Boy, Benny, come. So this is Cody. He had been taken from his mom and his dad for 8 years. He always opened up to me. He always tell me, "Docs, you're lucky you got your business and I've been through it. I take a real man to fix what he left behind. As parents, we can do everything in life. We can have everything we ever want. But when we separate, the kids will stay broken forever. That's why I tell my wife, if I keep carrying on, I might go tell you, you will marry again. I don't want that. My wife get married again. The person they will come in, they will never have the kids to see. My God, they always tell me, what do you always tell me? You miss your parents. You wish you can have them back. And I told him, if even God will never follow us this cross connected to my house. And it's not too late for you guys. You guys can do it. Because you know when we are baby, you don't know how hard for our parents to try to go us to this kind of age. I'm 29, and I'm grateful for my mom. Every time I'm in the caucus, no one will come with me but my dad. I would be like wearing a tavala, sote, then just told me, why are you wearing that? Who's the man behind you? My dad, you were kote, tavala. I came to New Zealand in 2009. I never went to school. I finished school in the A6. But of course, my dad loved me. He will never care. He will do whatever I wanted to. And he still, whatever I do in life, it's time for me to follow what he wanted. I came to, my sister invited me to go to the festival, and they told Tali, come with me, let's go with our parents. But what I used to do, I always sing on the TikTok with my kids. We were always learning all the hymning. So we only learning the first song, so I can like try to do something with my kids. Because before when we moved to the complex, it was hard. Because there's like different people stay there, and they were always arguing, fighting and everything. So if my son get a hiding, I will run to you until I knock on the door and ask a partner to come and fight. And that's what I do, all these kids know it. And then I was thinking, why am I going to the church and I go there and I do, like, what am I going to learn from it? Then I was thinking, oh, should I try to do something to keep all those kids? Because at the complex, so many kids there. Before, like around 3 o'clock, you can see like more than 30 kids playing on the parking. But now, I run a little community program in there. I teach the kids. I never boxed in my life. Well, of course, you can fight me in the street. I would never say because I can use anything. But it's not the life of me. But that's how I win all the kids. I will make a food. I will make whatever. Because that's how I win their heart. I'll tell them, hey, you want to come and train? Because before we were always me and my son. And then he came to me, asked, oh, can my friend come? I said, yeah. Then I go to the house and they say, I can have the whole for the complex anytime I want, like 24 hours, whatever. I can have it for free. And they say, can you keep the neighborhood? I say, yeah, I can do that. Then I make a rule. If you go around and play around the night and day, you're not allowed to come in. So it was hard for me, because all the kids were coming. Who can be coming? Nah, never listen to me, he was there. And I teach them like my own kids. But what I was going to say is about, we're going to sing a song. There's a song that saved my life. And I always teach these kids. But the song I call Hopate, but we're going to sing a part of it. Still coming. Coming. Still okay if we sing the whole song?
Yeah.
Sing it.
고마워, 가방.